Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Robux Wish. Hope you are doing great, and today the topic of discussion is Roblox stocks are a failure? So, without any further delay, let's get into the video, and do not forget to like and share the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Roblox is an online gaming platform and game creation system developed by Roblox Corporation. It allows users to program games and play games created by other users. Created by David Baszucki and Eric Castle in 2004 and released in 2006, the platform hosts user-created games of multiple genres coded in programming language Lua. For most of Roblox's history, it was relatively small, both as a platform and a company, due to both co-founder Baszucki's lack of interest in press coverage and it being lost among the crowd. In a large number of platforms released around the same time, Roblox began to grow rapidly in the second half of the 2010s, and this growth has been accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic. Roblox is free to play, with in-game purchases available through a virtual currency called Robux. As of August 2020, Roblox had over 164 million monthly active users, with it being played by over half of all children aged 16 and under in the United States. Although Roblox has generally received positive reviews from critics, it has faced criticism for its moderation, microtransactions, and alleged exploitive practices directed to children. There are several individuals who design items as a full-time job, with the highest-earning creators making over $100,000 a year off item sales. Items with a limited edition status can only be traded between or sold by users with a Roblox Premium membership. Roblox allows players to buy, sell, and create virtual items which can be used to decorate their virtual character that serves as their avatar on the platform. Clothes can be bought by anyone, but only players with a premium membership can sell them. Shares of Roblox closed down 9% Wednesday after the company released its November metrics, showing a decline in daily active users from October. The video game company reported 49.4 million daily active users in November. While that's up 35% year over year, during the first 27 days of October, the company reported 50.5 million daily active users. It faced an outage between October 28th and October 31st, which caused a decline in DAUs as well as $25 million in lost bookings. Based on management's commentary with third quarter 21 earnings, including October performance, results came in slightly below our expectations and appeared to trail the historical trend line whereby November typically experiences a modest sequential uptick versus October, Stifel analysts said in a note. KeyBank analysts said the drop could carry over into December and negatively affect fourth quarter totals. Considering management has also said December is roughly 80% larger than the October-November levels, we believe this means fourth quarter numbers are likely to come down in the immediate term. Roblox said estimated average bookings per daily active user was between $4.21 and $4.27, or down 8% to 9% year over year. At the same time, estimated bookings for November were between $208 million and $211 million, up 22% to 24% year over year. The video game stock's fall was pretty consistent after it announced November metrics, where it said daily active users rose 35% to 49.4 million. That came against the now typical tough pandemic comparisons, but in an environment of investors demanding heavy growth from their tech investments, that wasn't enough for many, who tended to expect a repeat of October's 50.5 million DAUs. Among other bad news that could weigh on Roblox, video game industry sales broke a 6-month streak to fall 10% year over year in November. Up until its IPO, Roblox was converting 50 cents out of every $1 in revenue into cold hard cash profit. Even a full quarter after its IPO, Roblox maintained this torrid rate of cash production. But for 2 quarters in a row now, Roblox's free cash flow margin has been eroding, and it may be time to bail out. For one thing, the main reason Roblox lost money in the quarter is that it spent heavily in paying its game developer partners well, in spending on research and development, and in improving infrastructure and trust and safety. All items I view as critical investments for a company that aspires to be a growth stock. And for another, Roblox's losses, while significant, were only half as much as a year ago, so the bottom line is improving. Back when Roblox was preparing for its IPO, one of the things I liked most about this company was its 50% free cash flow margin. The fact that out of every $1 of revenue Roblox took in, it generated a cool 50 cents in positive cash profits. I was especially pleased to see that in its first quarter as a publicly traded company, Roblox was able to maintain this level of free cash flow profitability, at least after backing out one-time costs of the IPO. But what have we seen at Roblox since then? According to data from S&P Global Market Intelligence, Roblox booked revenue of $454 million in quarter 2, and free cash flow of $168 million. And in this just reported Q3, Roblox reported revenue of $509 million and free cash flow of $178 million. It only takes a little quick calculator work to determine Roblox's free cash flow margin. Again, that's the amount of real cash profit it generates from $1 of revenue. Stumbled down to 37% in quarter 2 and then slipped even more in quarter 3, falling to 35%. Roblox is already a high-priced stock. If its cash profitability continues to erode, I may have to consider selling and recalculating whether Roblox stock is still worth as much as it costs. The 12 analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Roblox Corp have a median target of 123.50, with a high estimate of 150.0 and a low estimate of 70.0. The median estimate represents a plus 19.67% increase from the last price of 103.20. That's all for now. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to like and share the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thanks.